You know what? I'm gonna follow the boys. Oh, I almost fell. Wearing cowboy boots while these two are wearing Jordans. Ugh. Oh man, I forgot that I had a monster in my pocket, like a fucking dumbass. Rock. He goes, oh. Big buggy. I'll dig it. Be careful, the top's flimsy.
Alright, you got it. Yeah, if there was some of the fall, it's a little flimsy. Let's go.
I just kind of cat crawled down it. And you can do that.
Yeah, so, oh no. We lost a tentacle. Oh, fuck. I feel like we're not supposed to be here. Logan, you should cross this log.
It's hollow.
Is it?
You're good. It's not bowing or nothing. You're good. I promise you're good. And if you're not, there's rocks you can jump onto if you don't trust it.
I'm not going to make that shit with no grip.
It's a centipede there. Don't step on that centipede, bro. Right beside your foot. You don't want to lose your grip.
Your front foot.
He's got it. He's got it. You're good. You're almost there.
You stepped over the centipede. You're all good.
It's a little slippy here.
You got it. You got it. Guys, the camera does not do this justice. It's not that big of a gap. Oh, he did it. He did it. Yeah. It's not that big of a gap, but it's kind of sketchy. I wonder where the girls went. I also have no idea. Oh, right there. Hi.
Hattie.
Oh no, we were just being a bunch of little hooligans over there.
Yeah, we took a separate path.
Yeah, we took a lot of separate paths. They weren't really paths. I don't think we were supposed to be on
I
them.
saw
But...
Bigfoot, bro.
Oh my god. Where is he? Oh! Oh, there's Littlefoot.
Young nigga jiggin', I'm serving the peas. I'm in the trap with the pressure, can't leave. Adapt to the trap, cause the junkies gon' feed. I'm in the trap with that 40 on me. Them niggas dirty, I know they phony.
Off the edge of the platform? Oh my god, dude, that would look so sick.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright.
Can I hit your neck before?
We're getting soaked. I gotta keep the camera dry. Oh, that was so cold. Logan, you need to be super fucking careful, bro.
Yeah. 'Cause this is slippery.
This is crazy. What you are seeing is AI generated. Please do not try this at home. Do you think you can get back up?
Yeah.
I hope so. Watch the camera. Well, you don't have to actually watch it, but just like make sure you don't knock it over.
Well, I'm gonna make sure that the angle's good.
Huh?
I'm gonna make sure that the angle's good and the camera's on.
No, you can't. You're not a professional rock climber, dude. No, I don't want you to do it.
Yeah.
Gavin doesn't want you to do it. Just don't do it. No, Logan. No. Yeah, that's a 30-foot fall. No, it's not fine. That is a 30-foot fall to rock, bro. Dude. Do not try this at home. Do not do this shit at home.
Don't
Do not
this
try this
anywhere.
don't do this anywhere. Yeah, don't do this at all.
Don't do this anywhere.
He is the perfect example of what not to do, especially in this circumstance. Careful, 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 careful. Gavin, take the camera.
Help him up.
Come on, you're good. Word. Give me the camera, Gav. Give me the camera. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. Oh, it's so cold.
Listen, bro, I'm so close.
Dude, you were scaring the shit out of me down there. What were you thinking?
I'm gonna put my hands itchy as fuck.
I bet you probably got like poison ivy or something, bro. What a video today, dude. I did not think I was gonna get a full video. I thought I was just gonna record some clips.
Someone take my jacket.
Logan's just washing his hands because he fucking got something. So don't touch his.
Well, he can mute something. Or you guys can mute something.
Because we go this way anyway.
Oh,
I'm
We're gonna take the same way back up. I do not miss vlogging normally. This is why I do moto vlogs, because my head can carry the camera.
Thankfully, you don't have to use any muscle in your body except your hands and your fucking foot.
This hill is steeper than it looks.
Yeah.
It looks flat on camera, but I assure you it is not. Good hike?
Very good.
Very good. Summertime is around the corner, and this is basically what a lot of our videos coming out are gonna be like. It's just us going and doing random shit like this outside. Preferably not in the rain next time though. And Yeah, preferably Logan doesn't try to become a professional rock climber this time. So,
Thank you.
we're all really hot. Oh.
Somebody have some weed? Let's do some bath salts.
That's the only reason why I needed to get new editing software, is because Logan caused me to have to censor out so much.
Sorry about that, guys, but fuck you.
I don't want no fucking Girl Scout cookies.